Hello, everybody. This is product and reviews. Um, this is the Crazy C Asylum, and today I'm going to show you another legit app that is on that is in your Android store, and it's called Tapchamps. Now, Tapchamps is a pretty neat platform where you can play games, and also make a little money. So I'm going to talk to you about this app. It is really it's legit. It's not like other apps that you see on the ads when you play your games and stuff like that. Promise you making money, but they really don't because they're really scams. But this app, I'm gonna 100% say it's legit because I have got paid off of this app, and I think it's really a good app. And here you can see all the games you can play and all the games you can play and make a little extra cash. I can't say this is not a this app is going to make you rich overnight, but it's not. It's only to make a little bit of money. And here, down here, as you can see, I'm gonna tap my coins and stuff like that. Games that I've been playing frequently, and you can also earn a little bit of diamonds and stuff like that, and you can also level up. So that right there is a pretty good example of an app, and I can say this is far by one of the best apps that I've played before. So in this platform, if you want to, I would say sign up. Let me see here. If you want to sign up, I will click the link. I will put the link down in the description box, and that will be my invitation code, and you can join there, and where you can, where you and I can make a little bit of money, because they'll give you over 200 diamonds. So if you start, so click the link down below in the description box, and sign up now. So I'm going to show you something else. You can also, when you get ready to cash out, you can also choose out of PayPal of how you want to receive your cash, Amazon gift cards, or Google Play Store. You can choose out of all of these apps right here. So if you're interested, then hit the I will post the description, the link down in the description box, where you can get my invite code, and you can also get 200 diamonds. So it's and one more thing here, and then you get the bonus item too. So if you sign up, you also get a bonus of 200 diamonds. So all right, that would be all, and I recommend this app for anybody. So my hands, like, I give this app one thumbs up. All right, have a blessed one now.